G'day guys, hey, today we're here to talk about and introduce the new Fuji XF 16-80 f4R iOS WR. Feels like a huge mouthful. Fantastic lens, love using it. I am very much a Fuji lover, so I make that open and known to lots of people. It's got a beautiful build quality, weighs 440 grams and just feels lovely on the camera. It's got a 72mm filter ring, so for all your UV filters, circular polarizer, ND filters, 72mm. In the name, all the letters from Fuji. R is for the aperture ring, so we have a manually controlled aperture ring on the camera, on the lens, that moves apertures in third stops. Zoom ring, and then we've got the focus. They all feel really nice, precision. They're not loose, they feel really lovely to use and out in the wild. The build quality, fantastic, absolutely love it. The WR, weather resistant, so absolutely perfectly suited to the weather resistant bodies, so the XT3, the XH1 and the X Pro bodies, absolutely well suited. And I think it's one of the main lenses that people would choose as their everyday walk-around lens. And really the lenses I've got here in front of me assemble those. So we've got the 18-55, the 2.8 to f4. We can see the scale difference. We jump up a little bit when we go to the 16-80 f4, the 18-135, and then the red badge 16-55 2.8. Yes, it's a little bit bigger, but it's not disproportionate. 24-120mm on an equivalent focal length makes it an awesome travel family lens, just great for versatility. The other thing, image quality, absolutely perfect. You know, it's not going to shoot at the quality of the 2.8 or at a prime lens, but it's not expected to. But I've found the quality absolutely sublime. I love it. I haven't found any vignetting in any of my imagery at the wide angles. And I haven't come across any distortion. That may be being fixed in post-production, but it hasn't been an issue for me. Minimum focus with the lens, 35 centimeters, so nice and close. And what's great is the 35 centimeter minimum focus is throughout the entire zoom range. So if you're out in the garden looking at a flower and you want to zoom in, you don't have to keep moving backwards to try and find that minimum focus distance. Once you've found the distance once, you can then zoom and work around with that distance once you've found that point. So yeah, all in all, absolutely fantastic lens. I love it to pieces. We've got lots of them in store, so come and have a look, come and have a play. Yeah, fantastic lens. Thanks, Fuji.